Today is 30th of December. No, it's not New Year yet. It's 30th of December 2024. 3 days. Ano? 2 days before New Year. Tama ba? 1 day. Eh, iba yan. Sorry guys. So, anong ganap sa atin? Saan tayo punta? Our last travel for 2024 is... Saan?
Drum roll! Wait, drum roll! Wait.
Saan? Saan tayo travel? Saan tayo punta? Sa Germany!
Germany!
Sa Germany. So, we decide to spend our New Year's Eve there. Sa Germany. In Meppen, I think. Meppen, something like that. And yeah, it's just like nag-rent kami ng parang apartment so I can prepare food. Actually, initial plans is Amsterdam kami dapat. Kaso, naisip namin sa Amsterdam kasi grabe ang fireworks, party, alam nyo na. And we have this small bata, so it's not really a practical and good idea to do that one.
You have a kid. 2, there's a lot of fireworks.
Ayun nga yung sinabi ko, di ba? Inulit mo lang. Napaka. And then, after that, we try to book in Den Haag. Kasi meron dito, sa Netherlands, meron silang tradition na every January 1st, merong dagat, basta malapit doon sa... What's the name? Where's the sea, Han? Sa yun, kung ano sinabi ni Albert. They're gonna run like...
say it.
Hindi ko alam sabihin na.
Say it now. Say it now.
Hindi ko alam
so
sabihin.
Everyone can hear. Go!
Say buning. Sabunin.
Nice challenge.
What you call the challenge?
It's not really a challenge. It's a tradition to go into the ocean.
It's tradition for them to go to ocean on January 1st, and we want to witness that one. But after that, napag-isip din namin kasi doon sa lugar na yon, ang dami rin fireworks. Ewan ko, ang mga tao dito, tuwan-tuwa sila sa maraming fireworks. So, naisip din namin ulit na hindi practical para, syempre, may bata-batuta ka. Alam mo yun, doon lang sa village namin, grabe guys. Hindi pa New Year's Eve, pero grabe. Walang sinabi Pilipinas, grabe ang mga fireworks. So, naisip namin is somewhere quiet. Eh kasi importante naman magkakasama kami. Isip namin somewhere quiet na walang masyadong fireworks or something like that, so hindi matatakot ito. I mean, hindi naman siya ganun takot, okay naman siya makatulog, pero still grabe, iba yung powers ng fireworks dito. Sa nakita namin just few days kasi grabe, ang lalakas talaga. So yun nga, naghahanap na lang kami na somewhere quiet na importante naman magkakasama kami tatlo since wala kami sa Pilipinas, tapos makakapagluto ako, kaya may nakita kaming apartment na mura lang, so doon kami mag-i-spend ng New Year's Eve namin. But first, mag-grocery muna kami, bumibili muna kami ng mga bibilin. Syempre barbecue, hindi pwedeng mawala yan. And then mabilis lang, parang 1 oras lang naman yung biyahe namin, 1 hour and a half, parang gano'n, 1 hour and a half nahan, right?
Yeah,
to the place. So yun na nga. So this is our last travel for 2024. Hopefully by next year mas marami kami magiging travel. Di ba, Lex?
Next year, USA.
Yeah.
Hopefully. Anyway, guys.
And I hope we can go to the plane next year. Go to Philippines next year.
Yes. We have to pray for that. We have to pray to Papa Jesus na makauwi tayo ng Philippines next year. Anyway, guys. Bye-bye.
A few moments later.
Grocery muna kami, bata. Ito lang ko nakakita sa Germany ng giant sausage. This is 50 sausage inside. 50 laman. 5.3 kg. Laki, grabe.
A few moments later.
Nagkakot pa kami ng gamit, pero ang ganda ng apartment.
Wait, look, there's Santa Claus here.
Oh, wow. Sa amin to. Mamarinade ako ng meat. And then, bathroom also, it's big. Meron silang washing machine, which is good. Shower room.
I'm just coloring here, guys.
Bathroom, I need to Hygiene, that one. And they have a big balcony kitchen. I'm cooking rice for our chicken.
Bring so many stickers.
And this is the bedroom. It's quite warm here, so maybe we'll open later the window. So far, it's very nice. So we're gonna spend our New Year's Eve here. We do some grocery. So I can cook here. Hindi kami na KFC kasi nakita ko sa menu dito sa Germany. Merong gravy. And there's gravy. Totoo si Alec. So di na ako nagluluto. Nagluto lang ako ng rice. Portable, Alec? Si Madam ko, oh. Komping-kompi doon, oh. Hello? Kaway-kaway naman dyan, oh.
The next day.
Morning, Alec.
Good boy, baby.
How's your sleep last night, anak?
It's perfect. I had so many dreams. I even had so many dreams. I even had a dream about Raya.
Oh. So this is our view. Maganda view. Inangat ko yung parang ano ba tawag dyan? Pero pala trailer to ba daan to? Stitch Alec, it's 9 o'clock in the morning. Medyo madilim pa, pero pasikit na ang araw. And it's December 31, 2024. Mamaya is a New Year's Eve.
Yeah. And Mommy will get drunk. I'll get sugars. And wait,
ulit.
Wait, Mommy. I'll get sugars, okay? And you get drunk, okay?
Excuse me?
Well, if you
Ulit.
drunk, then you need to give me sugars.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Say muna magandang umaga sa lahat.
Magandang umaga sa lahat.
Patalo naman yung mag-ama, oh.
What's happening?
Pupunta kami sa Christmas market.
Xmas.
Alec, ano na?
Wait lang. Wait, should I bring my mini Stitch with me?
No. Ay, nako.
Sure, okay, Stitch, promise. You'll be nice, please. Stitch, you all stitches. I promise.
Ay, bagulal.
See, you.
Ay, nako. Anyway, so, yung isang Christmas market na pupuntahan sana namin, close sila until 23rd lang. So, pero kami nakita, mas malapit. Pinangako kasi namin kay Alec na dadalhin namin siya sa Christmas market. Pero saglit lang kami kasi magpiprepare pa ako ng pang medianoche namin mamaya New Year's Eve.
Okay, I count my money at home. I forgot how much money I have again.
Anyway, we'll see you guys. Usually to all in the Philippines. And we have video call.
Happy New Year, Mama.
Ayan na kami, nagluluto pa lang. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Ayun, daming fireworks, oh. Pam, pam. Pam, pam, pam. Aming medianoche. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang pork barbecue Filipino style. And then, ang bagong recipe ko, beef na minarinate ko sa red wine na parang barbecue na may potato and carrot syempre para kay Albert, and rice for me and Alec. And Alec, ano ininom mo?
Wine.
Ayan yung pa rin si nanay
No,
ko.
I'm drinking rum beer.
Aba, baka gusto mo mag-hi sa video. Hi ka muna sa fans. Hi! Ayun na doon sila. So, naka-video call kami sa Pilipinas.
Ay, ang hungry na talaga ako.
Saglit lang. 1 a.m. na sa Pilipinas. We call them at 12 midnight. 5 p.m. dito. Now, 6:20 here. Eto, gutom na yung mag-ama. So, we don't really wait 12 midnight before we eat. So, kakain na kami. Tapos mamaya pika-pika. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang Silly is Live. Si Alex, iced tea yun. Kaso, piniwilis ko sa akin.
No. That's rum beer.
Rum beer.
Rum beer.
Ni-request niya na doon daw siya inom para social siya.
No, that is
Tapos,
rum beer.
Albert is drinking German beer. Is that German beer, Albert? Yeah. And I'm drinking sparkling kind, guys. You should try this recipe. Hindi ko actually siya na video pero masarap yung lasa.
I'm drinking whiskey.
Yeah. So, 4 hours ko siyang niluto Slow cook. No, almost 5 hours. Slow cook. So, sobrang lasa niya at saka masarap. Tapos yung barbecue ko, same ng timpla ng nanay ko. O, kain na. Bati ka naman Happy New Year.
Okay, Happy New Year.
Dito sa video.
Happy New Year. I want food.
May fireworks dito sa kabila. Ay, natapos na yun. Wow. Ang dami.
How is my kotse still?
Fireworks na naman dito sa kapitbahay namin. Oh. Wow. Check the car, check the car.
The car is not mine in the end. It's nice, huh?
Pa-fireworks siya ulit.
Come on, look. Come on. Can go here.
Ayun, oh. Actually, may nagpa-fireworks dito pero hindi ganun kagrabe. Han, maybe you switch off that light so it's more nice in the video. Ayun na. Oh, wow.
And here also,
Ganda, maganda.
Maganda.
Happy that I'm behind glass.
Ayun, meron pa dun sa dulo, oh. Oh. So it's 5 minutes before 12 here in Germany. We're in Germany. Uy.
Happy that we're not sleeping now yet because otherwise we'll miss this.
No, we're not gonna sleep before 12 midnight. Whoa.
Glass. Window.
Whoa. Ang ganda.
I have a good view from here.
So, mas maganda pinatay namin yung ilaw. So, it's quite dark. But we can see the fireworks more nice.
What? They don't care about editing here.
A lot of people there are sleeping already.
So, yan.
Papa, yun lang siya.
Magpapaputok na siya. So, nilagyan ko ng ilaw tong video. So, para makita nyo guys. But, this is our...
Mommy! You should have seen that!
Yeah. So, ito yung view namin. Ayan yung balcony namin. So, kinlose namin yung lahat. So, mas nakikita namin. Grabe, ang daming fireworks, guys. Yes, anak. Wait lang, anak. Nagbibideo si Mami. So, parang lumiwanag yung kapaligiran. Kasi, super dark dito eh, oh. Ganda.
Why don't we go outside?
Put down your skirt. Put down your skirt. Say Happy New Year to everyone.
Happy New Year!
Jump! Ang ganda ng fireworks.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So, ayan. Masaya naman. Busog na kami. Dahil nga pinag-inuman namin, ha. Excuse us for our mess in the table. Pero ang ganda ng fireworks. So, this is, hindi siya yung sa Netherlands. Kasi yung the fireworks in the Netherlands, it's like a bomb.
Yeah.
Dug. This one is more nice to watch because you can see yung, alam mo yung sa taas. Hindi yung parang mga plapla, sintro ni Judas. Nakakatakot yung tunog. Ganon kasi sa Netherlands, ang lalakas ng fireworks. And this is the first time that we spent the New Year here in Germany. And I do like it because apartment is quiet, neighbor is quiet, and we have this beautiful fireworks, guys. So, Happy New Year. Oh, ganda oh.
Pauwi na kami, guys. Keep watching.
Thank you for watching our vlog.
Thank you for watching our vlog.
Happy New Year again.
Happy New Year again. See you next time.
Pauwi na kami now ng Netherlands.
Yeah, we need to do 5 stops. Wait, pee, lunch, pee.
Pipi. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.